I'm so glad I got my hair done today. Oh my God, my sunglasses. Listen, I just walked 8 miles. 7 miles. My sunglasses, I just ripped my hair out. I just walked like 7 miles, and half of those miles, it was downpouring. Like, I need to take these clothes off before I walk into the house. Look. Anyway. Tell me again why you can't work out. Tell me again why you can't commit to your goals and dreams. Tell me. It's too hot. It's too cold. It's fucking downpouring. My girl and I got caught. We walked about 4 miles in the downpouring rain. And yeah, we both could call Lyft or an Uber, but why would we do that? We had to get our, look at this. It's fucking, I'm soaked! Soaked! But I got my day 17, 30-33 in. I'm so happy I got my hair done this morning. Okay. Team, no excuses, just results. Okay? It's a tsunami out here. We had some really cool cheerleaders today, very supportive. There was a semi with a bunch of guys in it, and they saw us get caught in the rain, and they were like, "We saw you like an hour ago. Get it, girls?" Yeah, because we got body goals. We have to get it. We can't let a little bit of rain deter us. So about halfway through our 7-mile walk, it started to downpour. We don't call no Uber. My socks are soaking wet. My clothes are soaking wet. Hey, Coco. Coco, look at you, girl. Look at this hair. So happy Colby did my hair today. Anyway, y'all, happy Thursday. Stop with the excuses. Excuses don't make your goals and dreams come true. Oh my God. I gotta go get dry. Enjoy the rest of your day. I figured I'd share this experience with my beautiful Facebook friends. Maybe Instagram too, I don't know. Itchy. Alright, I gotta go because I'm literally like soaked. Fucking tsunami out. Peace out.